Today, I'll be showing you how to do your Zonda crypto taxes. So the Zonda wallet is based out of Malta and was founded in 2014. As I said earlier, it was called Bitbay, but since then they've had a total rebrand, a new website, new logo, new everything. Currently, it's a top 200 exchange by trading volume. It's probably one of the most beginner-friendly platforms I've seen in a while because it's very limited in the features that it has. So it has basic spot trading and market trading, but it has no derivatives, no staking, no futures, stuff like that. Nothing that's overly complex will be found on this platform. So despite all this, despite its limitations, I guess, if you want to call it that, they claim to have over 1 million users, and they're making over 180,000 transactions a day. So clearly still a wallet that is used by a lot of people. And yeah, let's jump into how to integrate this wallet into Koinly. Alright, so like every integration videos, we're going to start off by logging into Koinly, and then from there we're going to go into our wallet section, and then we're going to click add wallet, and we're going to type in Zonda, and it's, as you can see, it was also called Bitbay, so it has a little in brackets there. And then I'm going to show you first the API method, and then I'll show you the CSV file. So as you can see, the API is pretty great, no limitations, no warnings, stuff like that. And now let me show you where to get the API key and secret from their website. Okay, so on their website, obviously log into your account, and in the top right corner, click on your profile name, and then from there you're going to click API settings, which is going to give you a new window. And then from here on the left side, we're going to click add new key right underneath the API option, and choose key permissions. Koinly is not interested in depositing or withdrawing any funds. There's only two options here you need to select. The first one is get a list of wallets, and the second one is history. From there, you're going to click create, and it's going to ask for a code which you're going to get in your email. Go into your emails and copy and paste that into this section. Okay, so once you've done that, click confirm, and you'll get a key. And here is the public key. Go back into Koinly, paste it here into API key, and then we have the private key. You're going to copy and paste that into API secret, and click secure import, and there you have it. Okay, so that was one method you can use if you'd like to avoid the API, which I know some people like to do that. They want to go through the CSV file route. That's perfectly fine. You're going to click back into add wallets and type in Zonda. This time you're going to click the wallet and click import from file. And now I'll show you how to get the file from their website. Alright, so heading over to their website, on the left side this time under account, we have a button that says history. And then from here, we're going to click download, and we want a CSV file from that drop-down menu. And now this, this time frame will depend entirely on what your needs are. If this is your first time importing this wallet into Koinly, have your entire history, so from when you made the account till today's date, or whenever you want to do it. If you're only interested in a tax year, if you've already done this before and you have your information from other years and you just want to update this year, you can also do that. For me, I'm just going to click, let's say the last month, and I'm going to click OK. And it's going to tell me that it is going to send me an email with that information within 24 hours, and I'll show you what that email looks like. So here is what the email looks like, Zonda operations history. You can click here to download the operations history, and it'll give you a CSV file. You can't see it because it's I can show you, it's kind of right here. There it is. It's in my downloads folder. So that's one of several files you need. So let's go back into Zonda and show you the other files you need. So that was operations. You need one for transactions, and you'll need one for deposits and withdrawals. You do not need one for detailed. So take those two files. I'm just going to show you one for demo purposes. Drag and drop it into Koinly, click import. Take your secondary file, drag and drop it into Koinly, and click import again, and you should have your entire Zonda transaction and deposit/withdrawals history imported into Koinly. And this is what it's going to look like in Koinly. You're going to have the list of transactions here, which you can verify and double check if you like, and some of the currencies that you're dealing with. But let's show you the best part of all, which is how easily you can get the necessary tax documentation. So head over to tax reports, and my profile is being updated. There's currently a sync going on, but that's not a big deal. So this area is fantastic for kind of keeping track of your crypto activity throughout the year. You can see your capital gains, how many transactions you've made, your income. Let me just refresh that so I don't have that message anymore. Yeah, so it's gone. Just a great resource to monitor your crypto activity throughout the year. And then at the very bottom here, you're going to select a tax plan that is appropriate, or a tax document that is appropriate for your needs. And as you can see on the screen before you, we have plenty of different documents. So for the US, we have the IRS Schedule D, Form 8949. You can also export to TurboTax, both online and desktop versions. We have reports for UK, Sweden, Norway, France, Switzerland. For us, Australia, we have the ATO tax report. And then lastly, Canada, Germany, and other countries, we have the complete tax report. And this, keep in mind, is a document you can also give directly to your accountant, and they can combine it with your other tax documentation to submit, or alternatively, you can invite them to Koinly to set up their accountancy firm here with us. We're still working on more content for that. And then lastly, what I tell everyone is check your country's rules and regulations, because this tax plan might be deductible. But that brings us to the end of another wallet integration video. If you have any questions, I have some fantastic resources for you, starting off, which I'll leave links down below to all of it, starting off with the Koinly Help Center. We have a lot of different articles on various crypto tax related topics. We have a feedback section, which is relatively new. If you have any problems with integrations or any bugs, stuff like that, you can report that or send us feedback here. And then we have a forums where you can talk to members of our community as well as our staff. And then lastly, we have a contact section where you can send us a message directly. But if you found this video helpful in any way, consider dropping a like, subscribing for more crypto content, and I'll see you next time. Peace.